Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. The podcast where we discuss things that are close to our everyday lives. I'm Dini and as usual, I'm not alone. I have two awesome friends ready to share their routine. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Good day. Today, we're going to discuss one thing everyone definitely has, their daily routine. The big question is, does this routine make life more organized and energetic, or does it become a burden and boring? And now, Kia, time is yours.
Hi Dini, hi Rabda, hi listener.
Hello.
I'm Kia. For me, it's definitely the organized and energetic team. But I admit it does always go smoothly. My routine is actually pretty standard. I wake up at 4 a.m., drink water, get ready for congregational prayer, take a shower, and then get ready to go campus. At night, it's mandatory to participate in dorm activities, read novel, and prepare dinner before bed.
Um, do you like reading novel?
Yes, I love novels.
What little?
Galaxy, Bandar Bandung, and Antariksa.
Good. I've also reading novel.
Yes.
Okay, Zah, tell us about your daily routine.
Okay, hi listener. So Kia has an alarm at 4, right? Yes. Okay, my alarm is 5 o'clock after waking up. I use a drink of water and making a bed. Okay. This is followed by showering and I'm getting ready the time before breakfast. I usually reading while preparing the meal. Okay.
What is your breakfast?
Of course, my favorite food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodle.
What?
Noodle.
Yes, yes. Okay, guys. They have already told us about their activities. Now it's my turn to tell you about my routine. I usually wake up at 4 a.m. After that, I have subuh praying. After praying, I prepare my clothes for go to campus and ironing my clothes. At half past 6 a.m., I take a shower. And taking a shower, I always use body lotion and skincare. After that, I wear to my clothes and then have breakfast. And then I go to campus with my friends. In my afternoon routine, I arrive campus and study in class. After studying, I usually lunch in canteen with my friends. After lunch, I back to the dormitory and cleansing the face and have to do praying. After praying, I recharge my energy. For example, sleeping. Yeah.
Okay.
At 1 p.m., I have answer praying. After praying, I usually wash my clothes and take a shower. And then I prepare for Maghrib prayer. After Maghrib prayer, I usually religious study. After that, have Isha praying. After that, I prepare lessons for tomorrow. And then I have dinner. And then for job and have fun with my friends. And then prepare for sleep. Okay guys, a good routine is one that supports your goals, not limits them. And now it's time for us to get in.
You want what?
Do you have any pet yet?
Yes, I have a favorite cat.
Please tell me about your cat.
Okay, so I have a beautiful cat that have grown for since I was little until I grew up. He is male, cat, he is male, and my cat has three identical colors: gray, black, and yellow. And my cat is named Himalo.
His name is funny.
Thank you.
So cute.
And please tell me about your trip, Ja.
Uh, my unforgettable trip to Malang with my cousins. Last year during the holiday, my cousin and I agreed to go to Malang. We choose Malang as our travel destination because always is cool. Malang as our travel destination because of its cool, unique, and the abundance of exciting tourist spots. In Malang, I visited several attractions like Jati Park, Taman Rondo, and other places. But I always wanted to visit Malang because it is known for the clean, cool air, especially in the Batu area. And we knew there were so many them parks and natural attractions that will be perfect for our group. The trip was thoroughly a memorable one,
Yes.
filled with laughter, adventure, and funny time with my cousin.
Well, is trip so very awesome.
Yes, of course.
Um,
Okay, guys.
but yipping, yipping,
How,
yipping.
how about you, Linda? Your travel?
I think the show.
I ever in Jogja.
Oh,
It's very comfortable and memorable. I spent a night in Malioboro, and there is many people, uh, many food also, and yeah, very memorable.
Okay.
But yeah,
how was your trip?
I trip goes Bromo.
yes.
Wow.
In Jogja, right?
Yes.
Yes.
In
Uh,
Malang.
Oh Malang, I'm sorry. Please tell me your trip.
Please, Kia, tell me your trip.
I goes to I goes main Bromo in Malang. Uh,
What?
uh,
You're wrong.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes. Of course, I like.
I you like spicy food here?
yes.
I like spicy food. Like seblak.
Oh yeah.
Wow, I too.
And then
Sebelah,
berat tu.
and rice bread, noodle chicken, and cake.
How about your drink?
Drink?
Yes.
I have favorite drink.
What is it?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Yes. Oh, it's fresh.
Yes.
What about you? For drinking?
For drink is coconut.
Wow.
Coconut.
Yes,
Yes.
no.
And what you?
Favorite drink, milk,
Yes.
tea,
Yes.
You like hot or
Cold.
Blue, red, black.
Rain, guys. It's very cold. What else? The weather is cold. What else, guys? In here very noisy, guys. What? In here very noisy. Found tiny and many people in here.
yeah, rain.
Yes. What's up, guys? You're not inviting. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is brown.
Oh, yes, yes. It is aesthetic. How about you?
The color is blue because that is blue and it's beautiful.
What? Favorite color? Sorry. Another. Oh, blue. Yes, yes.
Color beautiful and cool.
Yes. Where you like grammar Chinese or Korean?
I like
Oh,
I like drama king.
yes. What is your idol?
Yang Lin. Abis you, so abis you, udah.
It's okay.
No, wait.
I love picture in the fun.
And then guys, what else?
I love picture in your phone. In your phone. Who is that?
What?
I see. I see a picture. In your phone. Who is that? Yeah. Here's a boy.
Yeah, boy.
Who is that? Like that like idol.
Help, the black then, very handsome,
Yes.
and very handsome and cool, multi-talent.
So cool.
The middle.
Oh, today.
Yes, because rain.
The week for my school today. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you for for
For our cocktail. For our
our podcast, and thank you to for Tia and Riza, and that's enough for me, and dadah.
Dadah.